Well, hello there, and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to automate tasks in Clickup. Let's get started. Well, the very first thing you'll want to do is to log in into your Clickup using your provided username and password. I'll navigate into my spaces section and I'll choose project management as my space. Now, if you look at the tasks I have in progress and to do. I just want to be sure that as the statuses that are already in here, there is to do, in progress, and complete. I will envision that when these tasks that are in progress are selected to either become of a different status, something needs to happen. I also navigate to these ones, for example, the to-do tasks. If someone changes this to in progress as a status, then something needs to happen, either create a new subtask or something. So to automate, I'll automate the ones that are in to do. I'll navigate into the top section and there's an option for automate. I'll click on automate and it'll ask me to add an automation. I'll click on add the automation and I'll choose the different options that are there during automation. What is the trigger of your automation? Is it a status change, or is it a task that is linked, or is it a task that is created, etc., etc.? In my case, I'll select status change to be the trigger. So when the status changes, and it needs to change from the ones that are not active, so I'll navigate down here and select when it changes from to do and it moves to in progress, to confirm. So when the task status changes from to do to in progress, what should happen? Then what should happen is I need a new subtask. I'll create a subtask. And the subtask needs to go to let's see where we can put it. It needs to go to the event uh, task. Okay. So it will make sure I am tracking what is happening on the different tasks within a single dashboard. Pretty cool, huh? So I'll scroll down. I can select a template. The status of the new task that will be created, I'll make it to do. We'll also select priority and put it as urgent. The due date, I can say 2 days after uh, the trigger. And then the start date should be immediately when the trigger goes off. So that will be on trigger date. And then it needs to be assigned to me as the person following up on this trigger option. So I'll scroll through just to make sure everything is intact. The task name, definitely we need to input a task name. I'll call it event trigger. Then I'll click on create. So this automation is already activated. So if I go back, I just have to refresh my ClickUp to make sure all the changes have been incorporated. So I'll navigate to any task that is on the to do. For example, this. And remember, what we need is, since we have set the automation, when I change the status of any task in the to do, A new subtask needs to be created in the event. Just maximize that so that you can see it being created. A new task subtask will be created on the event section, and it will be set as high priority and the due date as we had set in our automation. So I'll navigate into one of the tasks, the to do, and I'll say it is now from to do status. I'm changing that to progress. I like you to keep your eyes on the event from the in progress status to see that happen. So I'll click to in progress. So it will move, go to in progress, and then on the event here, the event trigger option has happened. And you can tell it has assigned me, as the task owner. It has also set the date or the due date automatically. It has also set priority to high. Well, I hope this becomes very useful when you're working with your ClickUp. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.